Oh, hey, hi, everybody. So, this
Like this.
is what happens when you get what's called galvanic corrosion. See the piece?
Mm-hmm.
Now look down there on the floor.
Yep.
Ready?
Oh my lord. And you're actually working it, girl.
Ah,
Wow.
that's what happens.
Fun.
So even though this was loosened up, that's what happens. So now we can take this when we have our new lines made and we have an exact instead of this being on it because we have to give them to them.
Well, we can build lines in house now because we have a crimper.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
So we do that in house. Scotty,
Oh, yeah.
even your dribbly nose.
No, it's part of everything that's going on with my medical problems, but whatever.
I no problems.
So that's done.
Senility. Fun.
That was the only way to get that line off
Yeah,
and
it
to
was
get that
done.
out.
Yeah, that's original, never been touched, and it rotted next to the beach for years. Of course.
And just to show you how bad this was, we already lost one rung.
One set of, oh, I bet you if we just, oh, that's, ow, my finger was in there.
Oh, put it back in again. Side-eye.
I don't trust you when I put things in. Remember what they say, don't put your fingers where you wouldn't put your pee-pee. And I put
I'm not saying anything on that one. I have got to be quiet on that one.
I've done some sketchy shit with my fingers.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I do.
I do? How about, what do we got over here? Let's see what we got over here. Oh, look, I can see all the way in now. I can see clear.
You keep throwing them up. I got to be nice and not take them in.
So now you got to get all these AC lines out, Mr. Muskrat.
Yep.
Yeah, Mr. Muskrat.
And then we got to save all those. So when we have to build the new ones. Oh, and now we can see the sticker on the air horn. It is legit Maserati. Look.
Hey, Maserati.
That's wild.
How cool.
That's cool.
Nice.
Yeah. Bill, let us know if you want to keep that or not. Just let me know. I mean, I know we got it working, so just let me know. And if so, we'll clean it up. We'll put fresh hoses and make it all nice because it does work.
Oh, Moko.
Right?